Frustrated by the X3D Audio 1.4 DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. While preparing the manual steps for X3D Audio 1.4, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This DLL file is a common DirectX audio library. It allows games to position sound effects in a 3D space based on distance and orientation, providing the core spatial logic for the X-Audio 2 engine on PC. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting the X3D Audio 1.4 DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the X3D Audio 1.4 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the X3D Audio 1.4 DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A maintenance path for the X3D Audio 1.4 and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If your workstation is back online and the X3D Audio 1.4 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.